everyone, today I'm going to read the book The Reason for Sneezing, and I will be filming hand today, and my voice is a bit low. Excuse me for that. The Reason for Sneezing, written by Eddie Evans. Illustrated by Matt Loveridge. Focus question. What happens to a body when we sneeze? The reason for sneezing is quite clear. You breathe in some dust and blow it out in the air. Your nose gets a tickle because of this dust, and your body rejects it. It should and it must. The way you sneeze is always the same. Information sent to your lungs from your brain. Many muscles contract to push that sneeze through. That is your diaphragm, belly, and chest muscles too. Your eyes shut, your tongue on the roof of your mouth. Achoo! Achoo! This forces your nose to blow that breath out. And blow it out, it will. It'll explode with great power. The sneeze can go 100 miles an hour. Oh wow, pretty fast. Are you sick in bed with the cold or the flu? You know this will cause you to sneeze or not too. Think of a sneeze as a natural alarm. Achoo! Oh, I have a real sneeze. Achoo! A sneeze is a defense that keeps us from harm. Next time you sneeze, keep in mind the comment. Cover your nose with your arms or your hand. Wow, that's a great book. I'm kind of sick. Sneezing a lot. So, hope you have a lot of information for this book. And thank you. That's done.